Hey guys, braids are out and now it is time to wash the hair. And I have a new product that I'm going to be using for the next 2 months that you get to review and go along the journey with me to see if it's something that you want to purchase. All right, so I have purchased the Spoiled Child brand. And here is what came with my purchase. It is a purchase on hold. So if I like it, I pay for it. If I don't, I get to send it back. But look at this pretty capsule packaging that they use. So there's a biotin booster and then the treatment mask. They sent me some lip overnight lip repair and a brush. And then here are all of the pieces of information that tell you more about the company and more about the products that they sent me. So I'm reviewing these a little bit backwards, but that's okay. So this product goes straight on the scalp, 6 to 8 sprays. This is the mask that goes on your hair. And you're supposed to do it twice a week, once or twice a week. Here's the overnight lip repair and the brush that they sent me. And I was so excited to try them all. The packaging was super duper cute. And their whole thing is staying immature in the thought process of like, let's go back to being a child and spoiled and, just kind of going back to kind of those basics. And I'm going to be honest, I didn't read it all, but it was super duper cute. You can pause it and read it for yourself. These are some stickers. So today I will be washing my hair with Carol's daughter, and then I will be using the new product and starting this process and this journey to share with you. As you can see, in the winter, my skin does not like to agree with me, so I keep having lots of dry spots. So I'll be researching to look for some type of products that I will be using, and I will be sharing those results with you. But I will also make a video about my facial routine. Starting with the Wash Day Delight, water to foam. I have a video about that. You can check that out. Then I will use the conditioner. I'll wash it out. Then I will, for the first day, be trying this Spoiled Child, just like it's a mask. So after I shampoo, I got to put it on, leave it on for about 5 minutes. And it says use once to twice per week. So I'm gonna have to keep up, make sure that I'm washing my hair, which is good because I need to do some more deep conditions and things. And then this is the serum. It is supposed to be done every day. It is so cool because it has a tracker on here where you can mark it off so you know what day you're on. And then it has like little helpful things on there to check out. So day 1, daily use is key for serious results in as little as 90 days. Okay, so after I wash my hair, I'm supposed to put 6 to 8 sprays directly on my scalp and massage it in. And this stays in, so I can use this every day. So I will wash and then I will put in the products. Actually, I'll wash, show you what my hair looks like before putting in those products, and then show you an after of what my hair looks like after the products to see if we can see any results right away. All right, so this is my hair right after the Carol's daughter. And now we were gonna add in the Spoiled Child mask. I'll give you the correct name. And then we will compare and see if we see any differences like right off the bat. So it said put it on from mid-length to tips. And I noticed that I could feel like my hair was a little bit curlier. So I hopped out the shower to record that curl so it does not go on your scalp. All right, and here are my curls out of the shower. And we're gonna get dressed and add on the oil serum. What do they call this stuff? It doesn't have the name on it. I'd have to look at the papers. But you know, the serums. Second, part 2. Phase 2 didn't go how I wanted, but I did finish washing, blow dried, and I was getting ready to prepare my wig. But then what I bought is not what I received. So I just wore my headband wig for a couple days until my new product arrived.